moong dal curry mixed with ghee, and gobi or cauliflower dry fried. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my simple cooking channel. Today's recipe is back to back a pure vegetarian dish. First, let me show you how I marinate the cauliflower for the dry fry. Here I have around 500 grams of cauliflower. I've already cut into pieces, boiled it in hot water, added salt and later rinsed it. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder to a bowl. Besan flour 2 tablespoons. Maida 1 tablespoon. Corn flour 2 tablespoons. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Add a little salt. Mix together all of them. Now add water little by little and make a thick batter. Okay, now it is already thick. Now you can add the cleaned cauliflower and coat it well. Keep aside first for half an hour. And the rest of the ingredients for today's recipes are 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 or 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons garlic chopped, 4 tablespoons shallots chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger chopped. Next, 1 medium onion sliced big, half a capsicum sliced small, 1 carrot sliced small, spring onions. Separate the thick side and the upper side of the spring onions, plus salt and oil. Chili and tomato sauce and soya sauce will be added to this recipe. This is moong dal. I've already cooked this moong dal with 1 tablespoon ginger and 1 tablespoon garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and a little salt and oil. Rest of the ingredients for this recipe for the moong dal are 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 3 dry chillis, 30 grams shallot sliced, few curry leaves, and we need ghee for this. Add cooking oil to a pan. Once heat up, add the mustard seeds. Let it split with a popping sound. Add the dry chilies followed by the shallots. Saute well till brown. Now add the curry leaves. Add the cooked moong dal and add little salt. Mix well and you can off the stove once it is boiled. Add ghee to it and mix well again. Moong dal curry is ready to serve. Okay, now add sufficient cooking oil to a pan. Once it hot, add the marinated cauliflower to it. Fry till crispy. Turn the other way around. Continue frying all. Here I have the fried ones. This is the marinated flour. I just fried it. Using the same pan, remove some oil from it now. Add ginger and garlic chopped, and also the shallots and the green chilies. Saute well. Now add the cut onion, followed by the carrots, and also the capsicum and the spring onions. Now you can add the chili powder. Add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, followed by 1 or 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Saute well. Now you can add the fried cauliflower to it. And coat it well. Add the leaf of the spring onions. Mix well and off the stove, and can serve. This is the gobi or cauliflower dry fry, purely a vegetarian dish. Nice to eat with rice, chapati, or anything you like. You can find the ingredients in the description box below. Leave your comments in the comment box. Hope you all like my vegetarian cooking today. Please try cooking it. Till we meet again with a new recipe, stay safe, dear all. Bye.